Vishnu Purana EP 17, The Hidden Decline of Dharma, How Society Slowly Falls Apart. The Vishnu Purana now turns away from gods and avatars and looks directly at human society. Until now, we have understood time, creation, manus, kingship, and divine intervention. But here comes the uncomfortable truth. Even after avatars restore Dharma, decline begins again. Not suddenly, not violently, but silently. The Vishnu Purana explains that Dharma does not collapse because of enemies. It collapses because of forgetfulness. Kings begin to rule for power instead of responsibility. Priests begin to value ritual over wisdom. People begin to copy tradition without understanding its purpose. This is how decay begins. The Purana makes a sharp distinction here. Adharma is not always evil actions. Most of the time, it is mechanical goodness without awareness. Laws are followed, but spirit is gone. Prayers are spoken, but silence is missing. Social roles exist, but their inner meaning has vanished. This is why decline is hard to detect. The Vishnu Purana says that society rots from the inside outward. The outer structure remains intact, but the inner fire is extinguished. Kings still sit on thrones. Teachers still speak scriptures. Families still follow customs. Yet wisdom has left. Here the Purana introduces a critical idea. Dharma is not fixed rules. Dharma is alignment with time, truth, and responsibility. When time changes and humans refuse to adapt inwardly, Dharma becomes distortion. This is why the same system that once protected society later becomes its prison. The Vishnu Purana explains that each yuga does not fall because people become worse. It falls because consciousness becomes dull. People stop questioning. They stop seeing. They stop renewing meaning. Tradition turns into habit. Faith turns into fear. Authority turns into control. This is the seed of Kali Yuga. The Purana warns that the most dangerous moment is not chaos. It is false stability, when everything looks orderly, but truth is absent. At this stage, divine intervention does not immediately appear, because the problem is not external. It is human. The Vishnu Purana is clear. No avatar can permanently save a society that refuses awareness. Avatars correct direction. Humans must walk it. This episode marks a turning point, from cosmic order to social decay, from divine action to human responsibility. The question now is no longer, what does Vishnu do? The question becomes, what do humans do with the time they are given? In the next episode, the Vishnu Purana explains how social classes, duties, and identities lose their balance, and how this imbalance accelerates Kali Yuga without anyone noticing.